Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna start off by using hand sanitizer. We need to make sure our hands are clean. So this is her before picture, before the removal. And I am now placing these gel under eye pads to make sure the solution doesn't get inside her eyes and irritate her. Now I'm going in with the LBH Artistry Cream Remover. It's a cream-based product. I find it easier than the liquid gel removers because I feel like they irritate the eye a little bit more. Always make sure to use a great amount of product, and if you do need a little bit more product, make sure you get a new wand and not use a dirty one. You don't want to contaminate your product as you do use this product for your clients. Now we're just going to give it time, and we're going to be taking these tweezers and a paper towel. Gently begin to wiggle the lashes with your tweezers. They should be able to come off on their own. Keep repeating this process all throughout both eyes. Be very gentle and careful. That way you won't damage your client's natural lashes. Once you've removed all the lashes, take your mascara wand and just brush out the product. Now you will be removing the under eye pads, and you are going to go in with your lash bath solution. Take a small brush, any small fluffy brush should be fine. You're going to be using both of these to remove all the residue that you have left behind. Just pump a little dot on the inner corner and brush in circular motion, just until you get all the product out. You gotta get deep in there, you don't want to leave all that residue. Make sure you take your time with this step. Going in with water now, you will be rinsing your client's eyes. Both eyes need to be completely clean and free of any products you've applied earlier. Take your fan and a spoolie or a mascara wand. Brush out your lashes until they are dry. And here is her final look. Clean lashes, ready for her new